Alright, in this video, well, I'm going to undo pretty much everything that I just did, and I'm probably going to still show the video on my YouTube channel because that's how programming goes. Sometimes you just figure you did something wrong and you have to undo it. So I'm going to nuke everything I just did, well, except for maybe the display path. Turn. I'm actually going to go into the path creator class that I have. I'm going to make it so that it accepts a scale parameter, and so that the other methods that I have up here also have a scale parameter. Comma, scale, copy, paste, paste, paste. And what I'm going to do is basically, well, I added these in between videos. I'm going to check to see if the mesh is the same that it was the previous frame. And if it's not, then I'm going to update the path that it's going to be using. And then I will draw the path based on that. So, and then I will use the vertices in the path. And I'll just access that to draw it. Alright, so if last mesh equals path mesh for each, no, actually, or, and I kind of have the feeling I'm going to actually be doing exactly what I'd done before. Pretty much. Gizmos.drawLine points I minus 1 points I. Alright, and I actually don't want to nest this like that. What I'm going to do is say if it's not equal up here, that I'm going to change path. No, I'm not. Yeah, I'm going to create a new path. Well, first of all, put this in braces. Last mesh equals path mesh. And then path equals new path. Wait a minute. Path dot from mesh. Path dot from path creator dot from mesh. And I'm going to pass in path mesh. Invert. Path scale. Right, and then points equals path dot. See here. Components dot actually alright, Alright, so I'm just going to access, I don't know, 200 points along the path, and from there I'll draw the path. For I equals 0, I is less than 200. It's an arbitrary number. I'll come in and change it anytime I want. Let's make it float. Again, let's make it relative to 1. Points I minus. Actually, let's make it relative to 0. Points I equals path dot get point I divided by 200f. And that should be it. Oh yeah, and then plus offset. And let's cast that to an int. Dot point plus offset. And let's see here. Oh yeah, I also need to set offset. Offset equals transform dot position minus path dot get point 0. Point. And multiply this by scale. Scale. Alright, never mind. Alright, I'm going to take out this plus offset here. Point int I dot scale path scale points I plus equals offset. Let's see here. I also need to make sure that points equals new vector 3 200. And this needs to be less than 200. I'm probably going to regret hard coding these numbers, but oh well. So save all actually. Oh wait, I already implemented the path scale there, so I don't need to do all of that. I don't know what I was thinking. Plus offset. Save. And no, not Maya. Unity. Overload takes 2 arguments. Oh really? Which one is that? Did it just not? From mesh scale. Path follower. Oh, did I break one of my... Yep. Path scale. Save. This is getting annoying. Oh, my bad. Oh, that's the path tester thing. I'm just going to comment this all out. Well, comment the relevant stuff out. Alright, now save. Now Alt-Tab. And everybody's happy. Sort of. Alright, so change it to something random. See if it draws it anywhere. And wow. So yeah, it drew something. Alright, so it does indeed draw the path, a smooth line. However, it doesn't look like it's actually taking the direction the player is facing into account. So, we'll have to take care of that as well. Array index out of range. I think there was something messed up with the previous mesh that I'd stuck in there, the sphere, because there was an odd number of vertices. Clear. Alright, so I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video there and take care of the rotation in the next video.